to the header shortening I did. Let's look at the header. It's installed and they're black now, and I think it's a lot better in black as opposed to what I did before, and when it was in silver. It goes better with this color scheme I have for the engine, since I have red plug wires and then now black headers. And then you can't see any of my welds. You can't see any of the work I did because it's all under the power steering box, which is silver. And then here's the other side. So that came out sweet, nice and black. So now we'll take a look at what it looks like under the car. So alright, see. Okay, position the light, and you can see this. This is the subframe, and there is the collector. You can see how nicely tucked it is. And then over here you can see the other collector, and you can see that they're both the same height. You can see them better now. So that came out beautiful. And let's go in the back. And let's zoom in so you can see the two collectors there, and they're the same height now. I'm very happy with that, and that's exactly what I wanted. So that's both of them there, and then we'll go on the other side so we can check out the comparison. Okay, and there's the subframe right there, and the collector is right there, and then of course there's the other side, the other collector, same height. And what I like now that it's nicely tucked in the subframe, so I now have added ground clearance, and this is basically how low the car is gonna sit. So I'm very happy now with that added ground clearance. So that was a complete success. So now let me get the light here. Okay, and then I have one other update, and that's I changed from those cap screws to these rivet screws, and now they look like buttons. And these rivet screws are made out of stainless steel, and I just treated them with my truck bed coating. And I think that lower profile is a lot better. I mean it really does look like buttons, and they're really low profile. And the rivet screws I used are these right here. Let's see if I can get a better view of them. And you can see they don't have that square on the bottom. They're pretty much a screw, but with no slot or Phillips head. Just a nice shiny smooth dome, and then it has this lock nut. So stainless steel, so a little bit added protection against rust. So there it is. Engine bay is now the way I want it. I think, man, I really think that the black is a lot better. Definitely. I'm glad I changed it to black. Silver was not a good color there. I think black is a much better color for that area and for headers. So hope you enjoyed. I'm very happy. It was a lot of work, but it was successful. So I'm very happy with the way it came out, and can't see my welds. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.